All right, y'all. So I got my boy pulling up with this 5.7 Grand Cherokee. Other boy, dude, he just got a 2018, I believe, 5.7 gray Challenger, bro. It's nice as fuck looking, bro. Sounds, he drove by my house yesterday, and it sounded loud as shit, man. So we gonna see how it is, bro. Nathan in this bitch. Yes, sir, man. We just pulled up. You already know we got the Chally. We got the 300. Yeah, that's our T8. But right now it's pretty chill, kind of literally chilly out. But we're just waiting to see if more people pull up. If not, bro, we'll see where we go from there. Hell yeah. This is actually sick, dude. Oh, why'd he stop the music, though? Front get rich? No, I'm just kidding. Hell yeah. That was sick. That shit's nice. Hey, can we get a nice little revy? Nice little revy? Hey, what do you do for a living? You heard that? He said, I said, what do you do for a living? He said drugs. Rev that shit. Rev that shit. Hey, he's sliding that bitch around the corner. Hell yeah. Hey. You want to see him slide this motherfucker again? Like and comment for that shit, bro. He just slid that. He didn't have to. All he had to do was rev it. Hey, who else just got hard? You just get a boner off that? I know I did. Oh shit. He said, I'm gonna swerve on that corner. Whoa. Hell yeah, bro. Hey. Yo. What up, bro? Hey, I missed that shit. You gotta spin out one more time.
I won't when I dip.
Alright, bet. Sick, sick. Holy shit. Holy shit, dude. This is the craziest underhood I've ever seen.
Like, how much you want to bet the starter in like a very nice
headers? You gotta take the tires out. I guarantee it.
That's where the turbos are buried down there.
Yes, underhood. There's fucking 2 intakes. It looks like shit. That's crazy as fuck, yo. Oh shit, bro. Finally pulled up. Hell yeah, brand new whip, bro. What up, though?
What up? What up? Let me get out real quick.
What up, Joe?
What's up, man?
Hit the same phone, man. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra.
Ultra, bro, yeah.
Hell yeah, bro. The shit's nice. Ooh, that shit was a nice ass dab too.
What's up, man? How you doing?
5.7. Hey, I was gonna ask, what year is this? I told him 2018.
18.
All right, 18.
Shoot, we got the same year.
Got the purple. We got the Grand. We got the 5.7 Grand Cherokee. We got the 5.7 300C. Oh shit! That motherfucker got the fuck out of here. Damn, dude. We got big bro, right? We got little bro right here. Dude just pulled up and just shitted on me. Dude just pulled up and shitted on me. My existence.
Hold on, let me zoom in on the badge, bro.
Man, bro.
Look at the tires.
Oh yeah, the tires are clean.
The bitches are sick.
With that part, like, you want to do it? It's like a Hellcat V-Type.
That's crazy.
It climbs to 7K.
Nah, bro.
This thing,
Bro, you running without a case is crazy.
Oh, and he got the black plate. That shit's sick. Burn them bitches out.
The narrow body must be harder than the wide body. It is. Something about
Hell yeah, fuck the wide body, dude. One more time. Oh shit. That's true. Bye, cops. Imagine he slid into the pole.
I would have laughed so hard.
That's fucked. Cars right here, bro. They about to slide and
They said
shit.
they was all by the They said they was all by the
Down there?
Oh hell no! What the hell? Anyone can do better than that.
This dude is sliding in the grass right now, y'all. Hey, is that shit a striker?
I don't know, nigga.
Hell yeah, bro. We getting gas, bro. Had to get some drinks and shit first though. Thirsty as fuck. About to put my lips around that pop.
There you go.
Bro, look at this shit. You see this, bro? The quality? It's crazy. Yeah, fuck it. They in the middle of the intersection with it, bro. Oh shit, I thought he's gonna hit the pole. I was just getting a pop. I was just getting a pop. Holy shit! Damn! Dude almost got smoked. Oh yeah, hey, who else just nutted though? Me. This is AI generated. I thought somebody's getting pissed. Where are you? I'm in North Liberty. Bro. I'm fucking pissed.
I can't.
You ever seen that?
Yeah, I seen that meme. Yeah.
I'm at Ashton's house. I'm in North Liberty. Your mom's on her way to come get you. I'm fucking pissed. This shit's ripping the fuck off, dude. Oh, hell yeah, dog. Hell yeah. Bitch, I'm in that Hellcat. Dude, all that fucking dirt just came off this dude's bumper. Holy shit. Look, they trying to close that shit. They trying to close that shit, bro. What the fuck? They just don't give a fuck, dude. Why they jump in the car, though? Why they jump in the car? No, bullshitting. They was trying to slam that bitch. Yo, man, no cat. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, man. I'm trying to get back in the grind, bro. I hope you guys liked it, though, man. More of this stuff to come, bro. I got other videos I gotta upload, man. But leave in the comments if you fucked with the video, bro. And if you want to see more of their shit, man, peace out, guys. Love y'all.